Hello, future scientists. Are you ready to put on your thinking caps and dive into a world of discovery? Today, we're going to have so much fun learning together. Ready for a big adventure? This isn't just any ordinary day. It's a day to explore, create, and experiment. Today, we're building our very own erupting volcano, right at home. Imagine making a real volcano, just like the ones you see in movies or in nature documentaries, but with your own hands. This isn't just a craft. It's a hands-on science experiment where you'll be a geologist, chemist, and artist all at once. You'll get to design, build, and decorate your volcano, and then watch it come to life with a spectacular eruption. We'll use simple materials you probably already have at home, build a strong volcano, paint it with bright colors, and then make it erupt with fizzy, bubbly lava. It's messy, it's exciting, and it's totally safe. This project is perfect for a science fair, a fun weekend activity, or just to wow your friends and family with your amazing science skills. You can even challenge your siblings or friends to see whose volcano erupts the highest. Imagine showing off your erupting volcano and explaining the science behind it. You'll be the star of the show, impressing everyone with your knowledge and creativity. This project brings science to life. No boring textbooks, just real action, excitement, and hands-on learning. You'll see chemical reactions happen right before your eyes. So grab your imaginary lab coat and safety goggles and get ready to become a real scientist. Safety first and curiosity always. We're about to create one of nature's most powerful forces in miniature. Get ready for bubbling lava, dramatic eruptions, and lots of cheers. I'll guide you every step of the way, from gathering your materials and building your volcano to mixing the ingredients and watching the eruption. You won't miss a thing. Let's dive in and make something spectacular together. Your science adventure starts right now. Let's get erupting. Every scientist needs their gear. Here's your volcano-making checklist. For the structure, a sturdy cardboard base, like a pizza box, an empty plastic bottle, old newspapers, masking tape, and scissors. Safety first. Ask an adult to help with cutting. For the volcanoes, skin all-purpose flour, water, a big bowl, and a spoon or whisk for mixing paper mache. Protect your workspace with newspaper. It gets messy. For decorating, brown, gray, black, green, red, orange, and yellow paints, plus paintbrushes. For the eruption, baking soda, white vinegar, red food coloring or washable paint, and a funnel. Gather everything before you start for smooth, uninterrupted fun. With these supplies, you're ready for an epic science adventure. Let's get building. Time to build. Gather all your materials. This is where your volcano starts to take shape. Make sure you have your plastic bottle, cardboard base, plenty of newspaper, masking tape, and a creative spirit. Setting up your workspace now will make the whole process smoother and more fun. Place your plastic bottle right in the center of your sturdy cardboard base. This bottle will act as the volcano's core, where all the action will happen later. Press it down gently so it stands upright and steady. Now crumple up sheets of newspaper into loose balls and start piling them around the bottle. Shape the newspaper into a cone, making sure it's wide at the bottom and gradually narrows as it reaches the top. This is how real volcanoes look, broad at the base, rising to a peak. Be careful not to cover the bottle's opening. That's the volcano's crater, where your eruption will burst out. Leave enough space so you can easily pour in your eruption ingredients later. Use strips of masking tape to secure the newspaper to both the base and the bottle. Crisscross the tape over the structure, wrapping it tightly so everything stays in place. This step is important for making your volcano sturdy and ready for the next layers. Add more newspaper and tape as needed, building up the sides and smoothing out any bumps. Shape your volcano just how you want it, tall and pointy or short and wide. This is your mountain, so get creative. Once you're happy with the shape, check that the structure feels solid and the bottle's top is still clear and open. Give it a gentle shake to make sure nothing wobbles. Step back and admire your work. You've just built the skeleton of your volcano, a strong foundation for the eruption to come. Remember, you're the architect here. If you see any spots that need fixing or reshaping, go ahead and adjust them. Make your volcano look just the way you imagine. The skeleton is done, and the hardest part is over. You've created the base that will hold everything together. Next up, giving your volcano its rocky skin. Gather your papier-mâché supplies and get ready for the next step. Get ready for some messy, magical papier-mâché. This is where your volcano will really start to look like a mountain. You've built the foundation for your eruption. Let's move on and bring your volcano to life. Ready to get messy? It's papier-mâché time. Tear newspaper into strips, about 1 inch wide and 6 inches long. Mix 1 part flour with 2 parts water in a bowl until smooth and gooey. Dip a strip into the paste, wipe off excess and lay it over your volcano frame. Overlap strips in all directions, up, down, and diagonal, for strength. Cover the entire volcano, leaving the bottle's opening clear. Add 2 or 3 layers for a sturdy shell. This ancient technique turns your mountain rock hard once dry. Protect your workspace and have fun with the mess. When you're done, your volcano will have a solid, paintable skin. You're one step closer to eruption. Let's let it dry and get ready for the next phase. Great work, scientist. Now, the hardest part, waiting. Your volcano needs to dry completely before painting. Find a warm, airy spot like a sunny windowsill or near a fan. Make sure it's safe from pets or siblings. Drying usually takes at least 24 hours, sometimes 2 days for thick layers. Check by tapping. It should feel hard and sound hollow. Don't rush. Painting too soon can ruin your masterpiece. While you wait, plan your volcano's look or clean up your workspace. Think about colors and details you want to add. Patience pays off with a strong, lasting volcano. Soon, it'll be ready for its colorful transformation. Your volcano is dry and ready for color. Start with a base coat, brown, gray, or black for realistic rock. Add texture by dabbing on different shades or sponging for a rocky look. Paint bright red, orange, and yellow lava flows from the top down the sides. Add green at the base for grass or trees if you like. Don't forget the cardboard base. Paint it to match your scene. Get creative. Add pebbles, sand, or extra details for realism. Let your imagination run wild. There are no rules. Once you're happy, let the paint dry completely, about an hour or 2. Your volcano now looks amazing and ready for action. Clean your brushes and workspace while you wait. The final step is coming up, the eruption. Get excited. The big moment is here, eruption time. Take your volcano outside or place it in a tub for easy cleanup. Put on your safety goggles. Use a funnel to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the bottle. In a cup, mix half a cup of vinegar with red food coloring and a drop of dish soap. The dish soap makes the eruption extra foamy. Ready? Pour the vinegar mixture into the bottle and step back. Watch as fizzy, red foam bubbles up and flows down your volcano. It's a real chemical reaction in action. You can repeat the eruption, just rinse and reload. Show off your volcano to friends and family. Science has never been this fun. Congratulations on your explosive experiment. That eruption was pure science. Here's what happened. Baking soda, a base, and vinegar, an acid, react to create carbon dioxide gas. The gas builds up quickly, pushing the foamy liquid out of the bottle, just like pressure in a real volcano. Dish soap traps the gas in bubbles, making the lava flow thick and dramatic. This models how real volcanoes erupt. Trapped gases and magma force their way out, causing explosions and lava flows. Your experiment is a safe, hands-on version of a real geological event. You've just demonstrated a classic acid-base reaction. Now you can explain the science behind the fizz to anyone. Science is all about curiosity and discovery. Well done, scientist. You built, painted, and erupted your own volcano. Amazing work. From gathering your materials to carefully shaping the mountain, you've shown patience and creativity every step of the way. Watching your volcano erupt with fizzing lava is just the beginning of your scientific adventure. You're now a volcano expert and hands-on scientist. You've learned how to turn simple household items into a powerful science experiment. and you've discovered how real scientists use models to understand the world around us. Share your project at school, with friends, or at a science fair. Show off your volcano and explain how you made it, what you learned, and what surprised you most during the eruption. Explain the acid-base reaction and how it models real volcanic eruptions. When baking soda and vinegar mix, they create a bubbly reaction, just like gases building up pressure inside a real volcano before it erupts. There are many types of volcanoes: shield, cinder cone, and composite, each with unique shapes. Some volcanoes erupt with slow, flowing lava, while others explode with ash and rocks. Your model helps you understand these differences. Your model is a great way to start conversations about Earth science. You can inspire others to ask questions and learn more about how our planet works. Keep experimenting. Try bigger bottles, more baking soda, or different colors. See what happens when you change the ingredients or the shape of your volcano. Each experiment teaches you something new. Science is about asking questions and exploring new ideas. Don't be afraid to make mistakes or try something different. Every experiment is a chance to learn. The adventure doesn't stop here. There's so much more to discover. Explore other science projects, read about famous volcanoes, or even visit a science museum to see real volcanic rocks. Remember, science is everywhere, not just in labs. You can do experiments in your kitchen, backyard, or even while exploring outside. Nature is full of mysteries waiting to be solved. You have the creativity and curiosity to make amazing things happen. Every question you ask and every project you try brings you closer to new discoveries. Keep building, experimenting, and sharing your discoveries. Work with friends, write down your results, and teach others what you've learned. Congratulations, scientist! You've taken your first steps into the world of science. What will you explore next? The possibilities are endless. Keep your curiosity alive and let your imagination lead the way.